In this video, I'm going to show you how to find all of blocked users on Steam. So if you sometimes block them, you can find them and unblock right up there. So this works for not only Macs, it works for Windows only. So this tutorial will be pretty helpful. So make sure that you are liked and subscribed. So to do this, we need to open the Steam app, and then in the top of the screen here on our nickname, we need just to click on friends or groups somewhere here. I will click on groups. So we'll open our menu, and this is the way how can we find blocked users, because all of them are in this list. So click on blocked, and here we can see all of our blocked accounts, all of our blocked users, maybe in game or somewhere. So we can manage our blocked list. For example, choose the necessary users we want to unblock. So after that, we just need to click on unblock, and they will be successfully unblocked. And I hope, guys, this tutorial was helpful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.